Welcome. Come on in. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. I'm here to let you know 2026 is not the year to depend on one income. Imagine money coming in even on your busiest mom days. I am going to continue to pour into you guys. All you have to do is tune in. Remember, what you listen to is very powerful. Connect with me on Instagram, The Fierce Mompreneur. Also, TikTok. Go over to the website, www.thefiercemompreneur.com. Now, we can listen to all the messiness and have a good time, but we also still have to grow. So this video, baby, I was scrolling and I found it and I said, I gotta share it with y'all. I gotta put y'all on game. I have to be like, yes, this is what we're doing. So this beautiful lady retired in her 30s, now living off of her passive income. The original creator is in the description. Let's go ahead and tune in so we can know what we need to be doing today, tomorrow, next week, next month, for the rest of let's get into it. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the video. Thank y'all.
Schedule. You might be wondering, well, Jumoke, I'm not a finance person. Where do I find this information on dividends? And I'll show you precisely where you can find it. So how would you like to wake up every morning knowing that your bills and your lifestyle are completely funded, not by your 9 to 5 or by a job, but by passive income? Well, it's absolutely possible because
that's what I'm trying to do, baby. Yes, I'm trying to fund my life off of passive income. That is why on January 20th, I am talking about multiple streams of income. Go over to the website, www.thefiercemompreneur.com. Visit the Fierce Boss Academy and join me Tuesday, January 20th for a lunch and learn. Multiple streams. Remember, we are working smart, not hard. So we have to start applying this information. Slow and steady wins the race. It's the little things that you do today that is going to prepare you next year, 5 years, 10 years from now.
that is partly how I fund my lifestyle in early retirement. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate $1,000 a month in dividends, either to earn passive income if you're still in a 9 to 5, or perhaps fund an early retirement lifestyle like I.
Now, and that's what I like to let people know. It's not always about, look how you can get 10,000. Look how you can make 15. No, it's slow, steady, small pieces, which will grow over time. I know some people, they might be like, girl, $1,000 ain't nothing, but to some it is. To some it is, and that $1,000 is what? $12,000 a month that you can get passive. Passive. Okay? Don't knock it. In 2 years, that's $24,000. Invest in property. Come on now. Come on. You got to see the bigger picture.
So stick around to the end because I'll also be sharing with you.
Baby, I love how these YouTubers say, oh, just stick around to the end. So y'all make sure y'all stick around to the end. Y'all make sure y'all stick around to the end. I am putting y'all on good information. Get your notebook out. Let's write. Take some notes. Baby, that struggle, that burnout, we're not doing it. No, ma'am.
My personal dividend schedule and some favorite dividend paying stocks and funds to get you started. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Olajumoke. Hello to all of my new subscribers. I retired from my 9 to 5 in my 30s and now I live off of my investments. On this channel, I talk about my journey towards early retirement as well as personal finance, investing, wealth creation, and self-improvement. If that sounds like something that would be of interest to you, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Let's get straight into it. So what I'm about to share in this video is partly what funds my current lifestyle in early retirement. I invested in 2 types of stocks. One is growth stocks and the other is value stocks or dividend paying stocks. And that
okay, so y'all write that down. We're taking notes now. We're growing. So that's growth stocks. Write it down now. Come on. You have to grow. Value dividend stocks, baby. We learn and grow together, okay? We learn and grow together. That's what it's all about.
That's the portion that we're going to focus on in this video. Now, I need to give this disclaimer before I start this video. I am not a financial advisor. I am
We
not
fine with that. We
providing
just want this
financial advice or
information.
tax advice. And I will always recommend that you speak to an independent financial
Correct.
advisor who can walk you through your personal journey, who can review your financial.
Yes, we just want to get able to be started. Y'all go ahead and talk to, you know what I'm saying? Because everybody's situation is different. But this is just some information to think, and then you need to move forward and apply it.
Standing and provides the best tailored or bespoke solutions to build and grow your wealth. Now, I built my portfolio over an extended period of time, and I did it in such a way that every single month I get dividends from my dividend paying stocks. So I'm extremely excited to be filming this video. I don't know if you can tell, but I absolutely
Girl,
geek
we
out
trying to
on
get to
financial
it. Come
markets,
on.
investing. That's just my comfort zone. And so I'm really, really happy to be sharing this knowledge with you in the hopes that it can help you start earning passive income or start saving for the future. Now, one thing to note is that dividends are subject to taxation. And what that taxation will look like will differ according to your jurisdiction. So please note, you do have to declare income on dividends and pay taxes on it. And I'll expand on the taxation side of dividends later in the video. But at this point, I would like to bring us back to basics. So what is a dividend, or what are dividends? When you buy what we call common shares or common stocks, you're essentially buying a fraction of a company. And so therefore you become a part owner of that company. And when said company makes a profit from their operations, they essentially reward you for your ownership by paying a fraction or a portion of their profits to shareholders in way of dividends. And what this means for you as a shareholder is that you can benefit from ownership.
So I will share the stocks that I am invested in is Wingstop, Netflix, Amazon, Hilton Hotels, Pinterest, Ford, Disney, and Disney. Those are the stocks that I currently am investing in. I started my stock investment journey in 2020, so it has been 6 years. I need to do better, but it is sitting there and it is growing. I'm super happy about it. So that is a stream of income I have. On January 20th, I will go into more details about multiple streams of income, passive income. You guys, you got to lock in. Lock in. I say lock in for 45 days, February 26th. Lots of information is coming your way. Take it, eat the meat, spit out the bones. You hear me? Eat the meat, spit out the bones.
Of that stock, you don't have to sell it. You can earn income from it whilst you hold it as a shareholder. Now, depending on the company that you've invested in, dividends can be paid either monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. It all depends on the company's dividend policy. Now, the key is to find strong and reliable dividend paying companies that can help you build a consistent or steady cash flow. So how can you generate $1,000 a month from dividends? So we're going to break this part into 3 steps. Step 1 is to understand the meaning of dividend yield. Now, dividend yield can be defined as the portion or the percentage of a company's stock price that it pays out in dividends each year. Now, there's a little portion of maths involved, but please do not get put off by this because it's essential you understand it. So your dividend yield can be calculated as the dividends you receive per share, i.e. the dividend you receive for every single share you own, divided by the stock price times 100. For example, if a stock is priced at $100 and it commands a $5 dividend, the dividend yield is $5 divided by 100 times 100, which is.
So I'm pausing that so you guys can go ahead and look into it some more. This is something you want to go ahead and, research a little bit more about it so you can have a better understanding. Of course, if I do come across some more information that I feel is easy to understand, I will definitely share it with you guys. But just know it's out there. The information is out there for you to learn. You can also join my class, my lunch and learn, and I'll give you a lot of information at that time as well. Also, go ahead and follow the original content creator. The link is in the description. We're going to go ahead and continue. You guys go ahead and take a screenshot of that. Also, you can write it down as well. I told you to get your notebook.
5%. So this means that for every single $1,000 you invest in that stock, you get back $50 in dividends each year. Easy enough to understand. Now, this is the part where we need to apply just a little bit more mathematics, but please do not get put off. It is really crucial you understand this. It is very basic, really simple. So please stay with me, because the second step is to calculate how much you need to invest in order to achieve your goal. So if the goal is $1,000 per month, it means that your annual dividend requirement is $12,000. Now, let's assume that you found a stock that has a dividend yield of 4%. As I said, your dividend yield is your dividend per share divided by the share price times 100, similar to the example we went through earlier, where you were getting $50 for every $1,000 invested. So the dividend yield in this example is 4%. Now, to find out how much exactly you would need to invest in order to get $12,000 each year in dividends, the calculation will be $12,000 divided by 4%, which is the dividend yield, and that will give you your capital requirement, which is $300,000.
Okay. So your capital requirement is $300,000
a year. And this formula is exactly the same as the dividend yield formula, just reorganized a little bit. So this means that if you invest $300,000 a year in a stock that has a dividend yield of 4%, you will get $1,000 a month or $12,000 a year in dividend payments. So let's try another example to bring this home. Let's say that you've saved up $120,000 in capital and you are after $12,000 in dividends every single year. What would be your required dividend yield? Exactly. It would be $12,000, which is your required dividends, divided by your capital, which is $120,000, which gives you 10%. So your dividend yield requirement would be 10%. And so you see, this is super interesting and quite easy once you know what to look out for and how to connect the numbers. Now, the third step, and I dare say the more interesting step, is to choose your dividend paying stocks. As I mentioned at the start of this video, I invested in two types of stocks: growth stocks as well as dividend paying stocks. Now, growth stocks are typically stocks that are, exactly as the name says, in their growth phase, or they are stocks that tend to grow at a faster pace than other stocks like value stocks or dividend paying stocks. So you tend to find quite a few tech stocks in the growth categorization, whilst you might find banks, utility companies in the value categorization. Now, these are just two or three examples of sector classification. It doesn't mean, of course, that all tech companies are classed as growth companies and all banks or utility companies are classed as value companies. Not at all. You do have some tech companies that are.
So you can join me in my class on Tuesday. Y'all, I'm going to be dropping information. This had some great information in it so you can understand how you can get passive income of $1,000 a month. Okay. Understanding the growth stocks, the dividend stocks, things that you need to start doing daily. Start researching more into it to see what you actually need to do to be able to achieve this. Remember, in 2026, we're working smart. We are busy taking care of our households, taking care of our families, while we want to still have a soft, comfortable life. We don't want to be burnt out. We don't want to be stressed out. So we want to work smart, especially in 2026, the way the economy has really been in the way it's going. You want to be ahead of the game. You want to have the knowledge to be able to invest and make moves so you and your family will be okay. You can also join the inner circle. The inner circle right now is $20. It was $139. It is $20. You go over to the website, www.thefiercemompreneur.com. I go live in the group and discuss different ways you can utilize your phone as a busy mom to make extra income. Yes, your 9 to 5 is great. That takes care of your health insurance. You know, some of your life insurance, I still say have an outside policy, but that's for a whole nother conversation. that takes care of your daily need, your employer, right? But what about bringing in that extra 1,000 a month? Then it grows to 2,500 a month. Then it grows to 3,500 a month. Now you're living debt free, and now you're bringing in not just your employer, the 3,500, but you have invested it and you have rental payments. So when your kids go off to college, car paid for, tuition paid for, and you're handing over a deed once they graduate college. Plan now. Plan now. Deeds, no GoFundMe's. We're handing over deeds to our children. So how many children you have? If you have one, how many deeds you handing over? If you got two, great baby, you need to get to it. You have 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me, baby, don't be like that one over there with 9 children. You need 9, 10, 11 deeds. Okay? Policies. You understand? You understand? It's about growth, okay? So you guys, thank you guys so much for being here. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know how many streams of income do you currently have? Get in the comment. Don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed if it's just one, your employer, and you're looking to say, hey, how can I grow? I don't have much time. I got 3 kids, extracurricular activities. I got a husband who's like a big ass kid. I am going to help you. I am going to help you. You're going to coupon. You're going to cook at home. You're going to cut out drive-thrus. You're going to plan. You're not going to be burnt out. You're not going to go around looking crazy. You're going to go ahead and do self-care. You're going to self-love on yourself. Okay. You're still going to have time for you. Okay. You're going to adopt the let them theory. You're going to take in the 8 dimensions of wellness. Join the inner circle. Go over to the website, www.thefiercemompreneur.com. Put in that request for PTO, lunch and learn, January 20th.